My virtual learning hub. My second home for best students.
Hello viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. As usual, I am your facilitator, Mr. Ebenezer Ewuku is my name. Now we are going to look at the second part of number basis or numeration system. Over here we shall be looking at how to convert from base 10 to other bases. How to convert from base 10 to other bases. It is very simple, and I hope by the time I take you through, you will understand it better and even teach others. Don't forget, this channel has been designed for SHS students who want to build themselves in some of the selected subjects and topics in the various subjects so that they can equip themselves for internal and the external exams. If today is your first time of joining us, please hit the subscription button and you'll be notified anytime a new video is uploaded so that together we can study to prepare ourselves. I'll also entreat each and every one of you to invite your friends to join us to study. Without wasting much time, let us look at the caption for today, which is converting from base 10 to other bases. Thank you. So B, converting from base 10 to other bases. Now to change from base 10 to a different base, we use a method of successive division. So A, if we want to convert 73 base 10 to a number in base 5, this is what to do. You have to draw two vertical lines and one horizontal line here. So the number you want to convert to base 5, you write it at the middle here. Now, the number you are converting this one to comes first. Then what appears here is the remainder. So we use R to represent it. Now, we are going to employ a method of successive division. What does it mean? It means we shall use 5 to divide 73. We will continue repeating the process until we get a number that cannot go or that cannot divide into 5 again. So let's do that. 73 divided by 5. Now you pick your calculator, you punch 73 divided by 5. And that will give you 14.6. So it means that 5 will go into 73, 14 remainder, a certain number. That number is represented here as 0.6, but we want the exact number, not in decimals. So in order to get that number, we shall use the first number here, which is 14, to multiply the 5. So when we do that, we shall get 70. So you see that 70 is closer to 73. So when you take 70 from 73, then you are going to get 3. So it means that 5 will go into 73, 14, remainder 3. Now we shall repeat the same step in the next stage. So we say 14 divided by 5. 14 divided by 5, we shall get 2.8. So we use the first number, which is 2, to multiply the 5. And that will give you 10. We then take the 10 from 14. And the remainder will be what? 4. So it means that 5 will go into 14, 2, remainder 4. Now you notice that 5 cannot go into 2. So what do? We write 0 here and we move the 2 to this side. Now you indicate arrow up. So what it means is that 73 base 10 is equal to 2, 4, 3 base 5. This becomes our answer. Now, what we need to note is that in base 5, our answers must range from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. No number should be up to 5 within the answer. And as we can see, 2, 4, 3 is within these numbers. And so, indeed, our answer is correct. We move on to the B. The B says convert 226 base 10 to a number base 8. So we shall do as usual. We draw two vertical lines and a horizontal line. The number we want to convert here is 226, and we are converting the 226 to a number base 8. So we write the base here. What appears here is the remainder. So we are employing the method of successive division. So what do? We punch 226 divided by 8, and that will give us 28.25. So it means the main number here is 28. So it means 8 will go here, 28. Remainder, a certain number. How do we get the remainder? Use the first number, which is 28, to multiply the 8. So 28 times 8, you are going to get 224. That 224 is closer to 226. So we take away 226 from 226, and that will give us 2. So 226 minus 224 is 2. So it means 8 will go into 226, 28 remainder 2. Still, 28 is big, so we continue to do the division. So 28 divided by 8. 28 divided by 8, you get 3. Remainder something. Now that remainder is obtained when we use the 3 to multiply the 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. We then subtract the 24 from the 28. So it means that 8 will go into 28, 3. Remainder, the result we will get when we take the 24 from 28. So 28 minus 24 is 4. Now you can see that 8 cannot go into 3 anymore. So what we write here is 0. We write here 0. And we move the 3 to this part. Now we indicate the arrow up as usual. So we say therefore 226 base 10 is now equal to 3, 4, 2 base 8, because we converted it to base 8. I hope you understand. Now,
My virtual learning hub. My second home for best students.